Alright, gonna do a valve cover gasket on the IS300.
I have a drinking problem?
It's been leaking all over my driveway for the past year. I'm finally got some free time. I'm gonna just knock it out today as fast as I can. I'm not gonna go over every nut and bolt and all the torque specs and all that other shit. There's plenty of videos on YouTube. There's actually a really good one on YouTube on how to do that. Can't remember the name of the channel, but I'll probably throw a little video link in. It's this Indian guy and his brother. They take apart a bunch of shit and explain how things work. It's a really good channel. But he ended up using his brother's underwear to clean up the motor, all kinds of shit. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna do it as fast as I fucking can. So yeah, it looks like a nightmare. Let's take all this shit off. Alright, here's a little background on the IS300. It has 224,000 miles. I bought it last year. I've owned it for maybe a year, and I've probably put 1,000 miles on it. I did the oil change on it right when I bought it, and I haven't changed the oil ever since. But it's leaking all the oil on the floor, so. Oh man, all the clips are gonna break on me. Fuck.
What the fuck is this?
Alright, so I guess the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off this intake. This horrible looking intake. Damn. Alright, let's see what else I can fucking break. Let's see. I don't think this is supposed to do that, but whatever. The shit I want to break isn't going to break. Stupid fucking thing right here. Alright, this seems to be where the fun part is right now, is getting these hoses disconnected. These guys down here without breaking these guys. Alright, so this, let's see what I'm doing. Alright, so this coolant hose is a real big pain in the ass to get to because this clip is turned upside down. If you've never seen any of these, they're hose clamp, kind of like pliers, but they let you get into some really tight spots. Grab the clips, press them. It would have been super hard for me to use some pliers, so these things are freaking awesome. This bastard would have been crazy hard to get to. Ooh-wee. Fucking sick. Now what do I do? So I bet all these coil clips right here are gonna break on me probably, huh?
Fuck!
Alright.
You fuckers, I'm back.
Because that means it's ready to enjoy. Coors Light, as cold as the Rockies. Available down the street. 29. $10 and jeans, dresses, and swimwear for just $15. Can't wait to wear it. Buy online and pick up in store for a free sample.
Do you know a great agent?
I do.
Alright, so I'm not going to replace any of these because I'm going to be cheap, not going to replace any of the spark plug wires or the coils or anything like that. I'm trying to get away with doing this without doing any of that. But I am going to change the plugs because look, that one's drowning. It's pretty nasty, pretty gnarly down here. So I'll just end up zip tying this guy back on the coil. It's pretty gross. Try to clean these guys up. Why does it come with 3? Yeah, so you're probably like, oh, he didn't clean it. Yeah, I'm just gonna kind of just clean it as I go. I don't really care too much about how clean this thing is. I just want to stop leaking on the ground. And maybe one day, if I get enough views, I can buy a different engine for this thing. You know, one of those turbo 2JZs. You know? So.
So insane, just about me and stick you like a plaster stain. When you ride out your body only say, you better get
See what all the junk from the sometimes for me, going to the gasket, the best thing to use is your brother's old
Alright, well that's it for this video. Yeah, I got kind of, it's getting hot. I'm getting kind of lazy. I didn't really want to clean off the valve covers at all. I really don't give a shit what they actually look like. I just want them to stop leaking onto the garage floor and in the driveway. So leave me a comment, tell me what you think. Good or bad, it's good for the channel. You can tell me I'm a retard, tell me I'm an idiot. Ask me for all the torque specs or something, I don't care. Just drop me a comment, tell me what you think about the video. I really do appreciate you guys always coming back and watching these things. And yeah, that's it. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.